Hi, I'm here in Costa Rica for a yoga retreat, and I want to share with you. This is howler monkeys. I want to share with you what I learned so far. I've been here for one day. We started the day with yoga practice, and then we did chiropractic adjustment. Tomorrow and the next day, we're going to be on a liquid diet, which we only have green juice or water or herbal tea. Also, this is helping with all detox, especially I had COVID, so for me to get rid of the viral debris, this is a wonderful diet. After the 2 days, we go on a vegan diet. Um, but in the meantime, we also take some supplements that help with detox, that herbal supplements like milk thistle and dandelion, peppermint, and also drink lots of fluid. So we try to sweat a lot to through the skin, which is the largest organ in your body. You eliminate through the peeing and pooing. We eliminate, so we get a stool softener. We get lots of liquids. And when you don't eat, when you fast, you actually help the body to concentrate on getting the toxins out of the body. So fasting is the fastest way to detox, actually. So we're gonna start the liquid diet tomorrow. I'm excited.